Hi, I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy Learning. The question is, how much energy is transferred when 1 gram of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius condenses to water at 100 degrees Celsius? Next is, how much energy is transferred when 1 gram of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius cools to water at 0 degrees Celsius? Then how much energy is released or absorbed when 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius freezes to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? And last one is, how much energy is released or absorbed when 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius turns to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? So let us start with the first problem. Before we start, let me explain two formulas related to heat transfer. There is a body whose temperature is T1 degrees Celsius and its temperature became T2 degrees Celsius by absorbing some heat. Then in such case, Q is given by ms delta T. There is a difference of temperature, rise or fall of temperature. In such case, we need to use the formula Q equal to ms delta T. Whereas on the other case, there is a body whose temperature is T degrees Celsius. It changes to another state where its temperature still remains T degrees Celsius. Here, change of state takes place. Here you need to use the formula Q equal to ml. This S is the specific heat, this L is the latent heat. Now, in the sixth question, part A, mass of water is m equal to 1 gram. Initial temperature equal to T equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Final temperature is again T equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Here it is boiling water, which in other words is the steam. Here it is water at 100 degrees Celsius. As the temperature is constant, we need to use the formula Q equal to ml. Latent heat of vaporization of water equal to 540 calorie per gram. Therefore, this is equal to 1 into 540. This is equal to 540 calories. This is the answer. Sixth B. Mass of water equal to m equal to 1 gram. Initial temperature T1 equal to 100 degrees Celsius. Final temperature T2 equal to 0 degrees Celsius. As there is change of temperature, we need to use the formula ms delta T. This S is a specific heat of water, which is equal to 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. So on substitution, mass is 1 gram, specific heat value is 1, delta T is 100 minus 0. So this is equal to 100 calories. This is the answer. So once again, mass of water is 1 gram. Initially the water is boiling. So its temperature is 100 degrees centigrade. So this is boiling water. This is cool water. So temperature has changed 100 to 0. So you have to use the formula ms delta T. Here S is specific heat. Specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. Substituting the values, m value is 1, s value is 1, delta T means 100 minus 0. So you get 100 calories. Next, sixth C. Mass of water m equal to 1 gram. Initial temperature T equal to 0 degrees Celsius. This is water. And final temperature T equal to again 0 degrees Celsius. Here it is ice. As the temperature is constant, you need to use the formula Q equal to ml, where L is latent heat of fusion of water, whose value is 80 calorie per gram. So on substituting the values, m value 1, L value 80, you get 80 calories. So this is the answer. Once again, here the water is converted to ice. Temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius. Constant temperature, only phase change is there. So in such case, you need to use the formula Q equal to ml, where L is the latent heat. Here water is converted to ice, so use latent heat of fusion, and it is 80 calorie per gram. Q equal to ml, m value equal to 1 gram, L value is 80, so you get 80 calorie. Now, sixth D. Initially, there is 1 gram of steam. It is converted into 1 gram of water. This is 100 degrees Celsius. Here it is 100 degrees Celsius. Then it is converted to 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. So here the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Then it is converted to 1 gram of ice, whose temperature is again 0 degrees Celsius. So 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius is converted to 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. So stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Let us call this as Q1. Here it is Q2. Here it is Q3. As there is a constant temperature is constant, only phase is changed from steam to water, you need to use the formula Q1 equal to ml. M is given as 1 gram. For steam, L value is 540. Therefore, this is equal to 540 calories. And for the second case, 1 gram water is converted into 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. Q equal to ms delta T. This is named as Q2. As there is temperature change 100 to 0, water remains water, but temperature is changed. So m value is 1. You know, specific heat of water is 1. Temperature change is 100 to 0. Therefore, 100 minus 0. This is equal to 100 calories. This is second answer. This is first answer. In the second case, Q2 equal to ms delta T, mass equal to 1 gram, S equal to specific heat equal to 1, delta T is 100 minus 0. Here we are using this formula because there is a change of temperature. So you got 100 calories. In the third case, Q3 equal to ml, because as the temperature remains constant 0 degree Celsius and 0 degree Celsius, you need to use the formula Q equal to ml. So this is 1. For latent heat of fusion of ice, value is 80. So this will be 80 calorie. This is answer 3. We want Q total equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Q1 equal to 540, Q2 equal to 100, Q3 equal to 80, total equal to 720. So the steam is finally converted to ice in 3 intermediate stages. First it is converted to water, then to water at 0 degree Celsius, then to ice at 0 degree Celsius. So for this case it is Q1, this is Q2, and this is Q3. So this total Q equal to 720 calories.